Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy and today I'm doing 3 DIYs. But before we get started, I would like to say, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying right now to reach my goal of 500 subscribers. So in order to do that, I thought I would do a little incentive for you guys. I made this. It is Rae Dunn Dupes. So it is a little salt and pepper shaker, and it says salt and pepper. And then I also made a butter dish. So it will be a salt and pepper shaker and a butter dish and a $25 gift card to Dollar Tree, because we all love the Dollar Tree and you can get 25 items for $25. And to me that sounds like a pretty good deal. So what you have to do to be entered in is you have to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Please like this video and comment on this video done after you have shared it. Be sure that you comment done on the video so that I'll know that you want to be entered. Because, and the reason why I say that is because I did a giveaway before and I was getting messages and people were subscribing, and but it just didn't go as smoothly as I would like for it to, and I would hate to feel like I left someone out. So if you want to be included in this giveaway, which you would get this and $25 Dollar Tree gift card, please comment done after you've done all the steps on this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right to it. So if you guys remember the red truck that they had at Valentine's Day from the Dollar Tree, this is it. And right now I'm just doing a little bit of surgery on it. Gonna go ahead and cut that back half off, and let me tell you, it was not easy getting that piece off. I had to hack and hack. So what I did was ran that little fine pointed precise knife down through there like what felt like forever, and just kept doing that. And I was like, let's flip it over and try it again. So then I flipped it over, did it on the back too, and then finally it came off, but it left a little piece, so I had to clean it up. So after I got the little piece off of the back there, I thought, I'm gonna go ahead and rip that front paper off, because I just didn't want that glittery texture behind everything, and I wasn't sure at this point if I was gonna paint it or if I wanted to put something over it. And then after a ton of scrubbing, I got my white Waverly chalk paint out and decided to paint the whole truck. then after I painted my truck, I had these eggs that I got from the Easter aisle in the Dollar Tree that I wanted to paint white, so I got my white Waverly truck paint and I painted them all white. Next, I wanted to put tires on my truck, and this mason jar lid center fit perfectly for a tire, so I used that. After I got my tires in there, I wanted to add my paper, which I got from Hobby Lobby. So that part didn't come from the Dollar Tree, but I just traced it out to the truck and Mod Podged it on there after I cut the circle out for the tire. So what I did next was I already put the back piece down, and then I sanded the sides, and then I went around just a little bit with some white and put on there, and then I took brown to make like the After my eggs were completely dry, which took 3 coats, forever, right? I just grabbed my Sharpie because I don't have a paint marker and freehanded some words that looked like Rae Dunn so that they would look like Rae Dunn dupes. So this is a wreath and a garden dish that I got at the Dollar Tree. And see the white picture in the background? My intentions was to make something for it to sit in because I purchased it the other day at Walmart on sale and it didn't have anything to go with it. So that's what I'm doing here.